Hey guys, so I just want to say that there's an upcoming snowstorm today. Tomorrow. Um, you know, but my school might have a 2 hour delay. Or school might be canceled. Today I had an early dismissal. And everyone was like this, yay! And I was like that too. Well, by the way, I'm really gonna like it being at the house all day because on Thursdays I don't get to stay at the house that much, cause it. I don't know why, but I guess I don't. Well. What? Well, guys. I hope y'all have y'all. If y'all live in Maryland, I hope y'all will have a great snow day. Like if you live on the East Coast of the United States, I hope y'all will enjoy your snow day tomorrow. Well, bye.